And we are in. So is this the hairiest thing you will see all day? So this is Begonia longiciliata, synonym size Morier, and it has some brand new, very, very hairy leaves on it. It is a species, a Begonia species, from China, Southern Asia, I think, South America maybe, Vietnam kind of area, and it has put a lot of growth on, certainly since I put one of these little baskets in with some feed in it, and I think the temperature's a little more conducive for growth at the moment. It's reasonably warm, perhaps going down to about 12 degrees Celsius at night, but 15 to 18 in the day still at the moment. It's a rhizomatous begonia. It's very, very easy to grow, very easy to propagate, does really well in low temperatures, despite the fact that it's not supposed to take frost. I believe if you keep it very dry, it can go really, really low. Got some lovely undersides to the leaves. I think I have got like a really in-depth curve video on this thing. It's very easy to propagate. You just simply chop off part of the rhizome and you'll end up with another one like that one. It is very, very variable as well. It's used quite a lot in hybrids, or it has been used quite recently in hybrids or hybridizing. It's just a lovely thing. I really like it. It's great to get something that grows really, really well for you, isn't it? This is one of those things. So if you fancy giving Begonia size Morier or Begonia longiciliata a go, then look up my other video. In fact, I'll put a link to it in the description if you want to learn a little bit more about it. So that's Begonia longiciliata. The only thing before I go with it is, as with a lot of these rhizomatous begonias, they head for the side of the pot, they go over the edge, and then they topple over. That's just the way it is, and all you've got to do, as you can see from my many chops there, many scars, you've just got to chop that off and either replant it, reposition it, or get it in a clay pot so that it's a bit more sturdy. That's just an ongoing thing with these things. But yeah, Begonia longiciliata. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.